Hi, Raven here. Just before we get started, if you find this video useful or you just enjoyed watching, then please consider giving it a like and subscribing to the channel. And if you wish to support me further, there's a link to my Buy Me a Coffee page in the description. Thanks very much. Now back to it. This video was requested by a subscriber. They'd seen a video I did a while back where I got AI units just to shoot at objects. So it worked really well for setting up a ambient range where they just shoot in the background. However, this subscriber wanted to use that idea but with autonomous units. That's what I've got here in this little demo. I've got two stompers. I've called Wally and Wally 2. And the reason I've put 2 down is I also did a video where I got an AI unit to shoot where I pointed. So I thought I'd give them both options and they can just decide which one works best for them. So Wally 2 is going to be the static AI unit, and he'll just shoot at different targets. So target 1 is this quad bike over here, and target 2 is that quad bike over there. And that will sort of be similar to the range setup I did a while back. We'll just shoot at 1, shoot at 2, and then carry on doing that. Wally 1 will be kind of my bodyguard, where I'll just walk along and he'll walk beside me, or drive beside me, and he'll shoot at what I tell it to. Now these stompers have 2 different guns. They've got a HMG and a GMG. So I've got 4 triggers here. The first trigger, I've got activation on Radio Hotel. The reason I picked Hotel is just for my own benefit. So H for HMG and Golf, so G for GMG. And on that activation, we've just got this little line here. I'll show you the scripts in a bit, and there's instructions at the top of the script so you know how to sort of set this up. So it's pretty straightforward. The triggers at the back, that's for Wally 2, and that's on Foxtrot. So I'll just put that for fire, F for fire. So that will start the sequence where he just shoots from one target to the other. And then this one here, radio echo, E for end. So end to stop him shooting. So what we'll do is we'll go through that. Let's play. Wally 2, basically he'll fire a GMG at one of the targets and a HMG at that target up there, so you can decide which one you want to do. So let's just start him off. So Foxtrot, watch Wally 2. Oh, he sent that, and then he'll shoot up there. HMG, and then he'll go back to shooting at target 1 again. So we press echo just to stop him doing that, and then if we get this Wally to follow us, what we'll do is we'll get him to shoot a grenade, so G for GMG, up at that house. There we go. And maybe a HMG at this one, the hotel. There we go. Okay, we're in the mission folder, and you can see we've got 3 SQF files. So I've got here WR, drone, FAFT, so that's fire at fixed target. Got here GMG drone, fire on cursor position, HMG drone, fire on cursor position. So that's basically what they mean. So if we open up the fixed target one, so this is kind of Wally 2, and you can see here I've got a bunch of instructions on how to set it up. So we set it up as it is, and the only thing you need to change is the target. So if you call it something different, just change those, and the other thing is what gun you want to use. So target 1, they're going to use the GMG, target 2, HMG. So if you want to use GMG all the time, then put GMG on both of them, and so on. And if you want to add another target, so a third target, then you would just copy from there to there and paste it underneath here before you get to this sleep here. Same as if you only wanted the one, but I'm sure you want more than one. So that's pretty straightforward. It's self-explanatory in there. I will just open up the other one. So same sort of thing. It's give you some instructions how to set it up, and the only thing you need to change is the gun type that you want. And I also did a side chat, so every time he's sort of shot something and he's finished shooting, it will come back with that in the side chat. So you can, if you don't want it there, just do that to remove it, or change it if you want it to say something different. So it's pretty straightforward. What I'll do is I will put this mission and its contents into a zip folder, so you can just unzip it and play the mission and test it out there, and then obviously the SQF files will be in that mission folder, so you can use them in your own mission. Hope that was helpful. Alright, good luck.